Hello and welcome, friends. Today I'd like to share with you a special story for Earth Day. This story is called Peace. It's by Baptiste Paul and Miranda Paul and is illustrated by Estelí Meza. It's a North-South book. Peace by Baptiste Paul and Miranda Paul. Peace is a hello, a smile, a hug. Peace can be bold or quiet and snug. Peace is pronouncing your friend's name correctly. Peace means we talk to each other directly. Peace can begin with a laugh and a wave and grow into actions remarkably brave. Peace comes from giving far more than you take. It's something we work toward. It's something we make. Peace is on purpose. Peace is a choice. Peace lets the smallest of us have a voice. Peace follows, I'm sorry. Can we let differences live? It spreads and it strengthens when hearts can forgive. Peace is a pillow that softens our sleep. Peace pulls us through darkness or up from the deep. Peace is old like the stars and new as a birth. And if we embrace it, peace cradles the earth. Thank you for letting me share this story with you today. All kids are invited to pick up a seed planting kit at their local library this week and plant a seed for Earth Day. Thanks for joining me and have a peaceful day.